Magandang hapon po ng January 15, 2025 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong January 15, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, January 15, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 15, 2025 Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, January 15, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 15, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.